So hey guys, right now we know more than little about the Galaxy S23 series, and given how near the launch event is, there should have been some live images leaks about the devices by now. And yes, I have bought the live images of the S23 series, but the devices in the images are dummy unit of the phones that are a replica of the original phones without polishing. Following the render images, this is the closest look at the S23 series, giving us an idea of how phones would look in hand. Have a look at it. According to speculations, the basic and plus models feature slightly more rounded corners and appears to be slightly taller than their S22 series. The camera lenses stick out individually at the back, which some may say cheapens the design. But we can't judge right now because these are unpolished dummy units and the final product will be very different. See, dummy units are usually made by case makers based on the leaked details by industry sources or the rumor mill. Comparing the phones side by side, the size difference is clear and appears to be roughly the same as the Galaxy S22 generation. There is only a minor difference between the S23 Ultra and S23 Plus, while the smallest S23 is much more compact. Samsung has yet to reveal all of the specifics of the Galaxy S23 series. However, one thing we do know about these images is the size of the devices. The Galaxy S23 features a 6.1 inches display while the S23 Plus has a 6.5 inches display. Moving on, one of the most interesting reports is that the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU will be much faster than the chip that powers the current S22 series, possibly making the Galaxy S23 phones as fast as the iPhone 14, which is rather impressive. This gives the S23 devices a higher chance of being the best phones in 2023. Additionally, the Samsung's Exynos chip will not be used in the upcoming Samsung S series phones until 2025, which is a great news for those who like Samsung flagships with Snapdragon CPUs. Other major features are the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus, which are likely to have larger batteries under the hood. I am looking forward to the Galaxy S23 series even if I can't afford the basic S23. But the phones are looking amazing and it will be interesting to see the S23 phones overtake other phones in the competition. So what do you think about this Galaxy S23 series dummy unit? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.